What's up, YouTube? It's your boy SVT.J, man, and I'm back with another video. We're on our way to a car meet, man, and just hope to say, you know what I'm saying, I'm actually satisfied. I like what I see up there. Hopefully it's a couple cool builds up there, you know what I'm saying. Give me some ideas as far as, you know, what to do next with my next build, my next project. But yeah, y'all stay tuned, man. Let's get it. Hey, big SRT, big Hellcat badge. You're seeing with the LED lights. Jeez. Oh my God, this wrap is insane. Okay, you got a drag package on it, drag tires. This wrap is insane. Sheesh. Oh shit.
Yes, sir.
Oh shit.
Yeah, it is pretty fucking funny.
Oh shit.
It's kind of slow.
Boy, if you don't paint, I like the color. Is it a wrap or is it paint? It's a wrap.
That's a psychedelic wrap. I'm from the 70s, baby.
Sheesh. Underground Nation is pretty damn big, I see. Oh man. Oh man, Hawk Green. I like this. I get Hawk vibes from it. Oh yeah, here go my cup of tea right here. Let's go. Sheesh. Big 5-0, man. Cobra J intake. Cold air intake. Sheesh. But Chargers just never disappoint with the exterior mods, bro. As far as cosmetics, though. This is sick. Look at this stance guy. Hey, he was at Mustangs at Houston Cruise. Sheesh. He's on the ground with it, though. Literally on the ground with it, though. Sheesh. Yes, that is sick. Oh my God. This is nice. No, this one right here just stole the show. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. Holy shit. Oh my God. Oh my God. Nah, bro. Holy shit. This is insane, bro. This looks sick, man. Not even gonna lie to you. Whole lot of Supra shit, bro. Sheesh. But yo, this wide body kill on the Supra is quite insane, though. I'm not gonna lie to you. Oh my God. LT4, man. Supercharged. CO6, bro. Shit. Playboy edition. SRT with the Playboy on the logo. Yo, that's different. I'm not gonna lie to you. That's hella different. Big lane hog in the building, bro. Bro, Chargers do not disappoint, bro. They do not disappoint, man. Jeez. Oh my God. Y'all know this is what I like, man. Oh. Sheesh. Daytona Charger, man. Big Daytona. Big RT. Whoa. Whoa. Hey, nice car, man. Sheesh. He is moving. Big M3. Sheesh. Oh my God, he's bagged out. Sheesh. cage. Sheesh. Shit. Oh my fucking god. This is sick, man. This is on a whole nother level of sick. What the fuck? Bro. Shit. Yo. Oh my god. This is next level, bro. Sheesh. Oh my god.
They're expensive.
Oh my god, the massive turbo right here, bro.
Besides the turbo.
It looks stock. The turbo says, yeah.
Besides the
we're
turbo.
here.
Ignore the turbo.
Ignore the turbo? Okay. Anything else is built besides the turbo?
Well, I got 6 more injectors, but they're not on right now. They sit in between here. You can't really see them. They're smushed in there.
Sheesh.
Right there. See the fuel rail right there.
Mm-hmm.
But
other than that, I see you
6
took it apart.
injectors, 2 fuel pumps.
2 fuel pumps?
Yeah.
E85 yet?
Not yet. I'm still on 93
okay.
for now. I'm still getting another revision. I gotta wait on some new coil packs so I can go up to 20 psi.
Shit.
Once with the
wait, 20 psi?
Yeah. I'm on 18 right now. But
oh my god. So that means you have to be pushing at least 5 to the wheel, right? Or more?
I don't know on 93. On E85, I'm pretty sure more than 6. Hopefully.
More than 6, hopefully?
Hopefully.
Yeah. That's the boost controller?
Yeah, this is the boost controller right here.
Go ahead and give it just a quick little whiff of pull. Oh my god. One more time. One more time. This is a fun ass car, I can tell.
The good thing is that with this tuner, you just hook it up to your stereo.
What?
Fuel gauges, any type of gauges you need.
That is sick. Tell me more about your car, bro.
It's got 1890, now ported. There's Shelby injectors, JLT intake, Cook's headers, and of course extreme. And I'm tuned by Lund.
Tuned by Lund, E85?
Yeah.
What about you, Milo? Stock? Jeez, let's see how this goes, bro. Hey man, tell me a little bit more about your Supra, bro.
It's stock 2021 with a downpipe.
Ready? Ready? 1, 2, 3! Shit, bro. Oh my god. Oh shit. Oh. Huh? Did it really blow his doors off? You wanna go again?
Yeah, go down,
1, 2, 3! Yeah, he's moving.
Trying to run? You said what?
There's no point in running.
Oh, for real?
He beat me pretty bad.
Oh, he beat you?
Really bad, yeah.
Wait, the 10 speed?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. No, I know. I'm not trying to run the 10 speed. Yeah.
Bro, the 10 speed is beating Hellcats, bro.
No.
It's beating Hellcats, bro. 10
He beat
speeds.
me really fast.
There's no point. There's no point.
Don't talk to me about it, man. He told me that you was turbo, twin turbo, single turbo,
Twin turbo.
twin turbo.
Yeah. APS twin turbo.
Jeez. Jeez, how much power is it putting though?
Right now it's making
370.
yeah for the wheels.
Sheesh. So about the same amount of power as a Gen 1.
I don't have the older, but it's just a CJ.
You gotta paint it?
Yeah, it's painted with heat resistant paint.
Sheesh.
Basic
Oh my god, so basic bolt zones was all done.
It's got CJ headers, Texas speed headers, and Luntoon race E85 drag pack, and some weight reduction. And that's about it.
Oh, okay. 60-pound injectors?
No, stock injectors.
Stock injectors?
Yeah, running stock injectors. Stock fuel system, stock rail, everything.
One, two, three! Shit. Oh, fuck. He's right there. He's right there. Ready? One, two, three! He is right there. Oh, shit. What's up, man? I knew this moment was coming, bro. I felt it coming, bro. I felt it. I felt it coming.
Tempting me so much.
Whoa. No fucking way. Whoa. Ready? One, two. No fucking way. Like that. You ready? One, two, three. Shit. Holy shit. Woo. Bro, that was way better, wasn't it? That was way better. Hey, give me some, man. That was way better, man. Ready? One, two, three. One, two, three.